Is your life pointless? Right? Stop and think about it for a minute. At least 90% of the people living today are living pointless lives. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. And I'm not talking about the financial side of things and none of that. No, I'm talking about, does your life, does you being alive actually mean anything? And if you don't know the answer to that question, chances are it's a no, which is a problem. Right? Because you gotta keep up. You gotta think about it this way, right? It doesn't matter if you're rich, broke, you live in a mansion or in a little hut down the road. It doesn't matter what you've got or what you don't have. When it's all said and done, there's only one question and one question alone that matters. What kind of impact did you leave while you was here? How are you going to be remembered? Are you going to be remembered? Right? Because no one remembers people for how many millions they had. Or no one remembers you because you lived in the biggest house. Because the minute you die, someone else is going to buy that house. So it's someone else's house. It doesn't matter what car you drive. You're only going to get remembered for the kind of impact you had on someone else's life. That's all there is. There's no ifs, buts, maybes. That's it. Right? When you die, are you going to be remembered? But if you are, for what? What kind of impact? Did you do anything to change someone's life? Did you leave a positive footprint on this world? Right? Because it's irrelevant. It's irrelevant you having billions and you die, because then your billions go to whoever they go to and then life goes on. No one cares. Literally no one cares. It's how you treat people. You need to stop a minute, make up your mind. How are you going to treat people? How are you going to help those that can't help themselves? It's a situation of what kind of positive impact can you leave here today? Because that's the only thing you've got to stand on. There's no ifs, buts, maybes. You either did something positive or you didn't. So you're either going to get remembered or you didn't. Because no one cares about anything else. When you die, people cry and life goes on. The only thing you've got is what you left behind. And that's the good or the bad. But it's the memories. That's all you've got. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well. Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments. Let us know your thoughts. And come along for the ride.